elevator at
The University Store on Fifth. At the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I've got Evan.
There's AdazElevatorz, Otis HydroFit with newer Series 2, and it's very loud. And it takes forever to level too when you start up. This was also Jared's very first newer Series 2 when I filmed it with him a few years ago. Just to get a nice view of the button going out while you're waiting. Standard Otis cab. Man, this thing is loud. The door operator sounds like a Series 5 almost. And there it goes, and that's going to be it.